Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle Football System. I want to talk about our triangle defense, give you an introduction to the foundation. What we like to use is a multiple 4-3 with a 2-high structure. It's easily adaptable to all high school levels, and this allows us to use multiple alignments, but not schemes. This way the defensive coordinator can focus on matching the offense, equating them with numbers, and also matching up their personnel. Let's take a look. All right, so why are we doing a multiple 4-3? And then how are we going to do this? Give you an action plan. Start off, the key here is defenses today need to prepare for no huddle spread first, with the ability to adjust to all types going into heavy sets and then being able to match personnel. So why we're doing this, it's incredibly versatile. It's an attacking style you can disguise easily. Most importantly though, you can stop the run by getting 9 people in the box, and then by alignment we can just take away 4 verts. Probably the most important though is it's a great red zone defense. So how we're going to do this, the action plan is we're going to do a multiple 4-3 fronts, different looks. We can be odd, even, bare, whatever you want. But we're going to usually start from a multiple 2-high structure, split field coverage concepts. So you got to, number one, understand your fits. It's a gap sound defense. We want to always try to get +1 in the box for the offense. Number 3, then we can own the numbers by having 2-high structure. And I like to be a zone blitz versus a man blitz team because it's safe and easy. Good example here, Montgomery High in 21 installed this, had 21 interceptions and 9 fumble recoveries in 11 games. Some defensive principles and goals. The number one goal is to play really fast, so we don't want to be thinking too much. So we do what's called a AAA. Get your alignment correct, know your assignment, and then act fast with your read keys. So we want to stop the run, we want to eliminate big plays, but we also want to take away the ball and create scoring opportunities. So the key to the defense today is you must equate offensive numbers, and cover 4 with that 2-high start does this by letting the safeties be run fitters and coverage defenders all at the same time. Okay, system rules and responsibilities. Number 1, alignment. We're going to use field and boundary players so we can align really fast. If the ball's in the middle, then we'll call the field to the quarterback's arm strength. Number 2, assignment. You can see here we can use some automatic calls out of that multiple front so that we can align to the offensive personnel and their sets using 7, 6, 5, or 4-man run boxes. And number 3, action. We want to take correct first steps to put ourselves in a position to be successful, but the key is to actually trust your read and follow that. The whole idea of this defense is it's a team defense. You just need to do your job and work together. All right, want to finish here with a visual of our basic alignment rules. The key point, it's about people and personnel first. So with this diagram, on the right, we call that the field side, and to the left is the boundary. So the players will automatically align based on that principle. Key point though with the system though is every position has a twin, meaning your boundary and field players will learn both. This gives you flexibility and depth as you get into the season. So the end and then the field end, which is a money sign, will be twins. The Will and the Sam are twins. The cat and the dog, our corners, are twins, and then our safeties are goat and our ox. The Mike is the one person who is really a true run stopper and can learn just that one position, or you can have him alternate with one of the other backers. You can see now we've got a very simple and sound way to be multiple, but play fast and fun football. Thanks.